Welcome to CloudEdge IT Academy. This video focuses on real-world IT, cybersecurity, cloud, and networking. We will understand what cybersecurity truly means using practical business examples. In this video, we will provide a real-world explanation of what cybersecurity is, using office examples that are easy to understand to help you start your career. This video from CloudEdge IT Academy aims to give you a real-world explanation of what cybersecurity is. Cybersecurity means protecting systems, networks, data, and users from digital attacks. It covers everything a company uses daily. This protection is crucial across all facets of IT infrastructure. Cybersecurity matters because, without it, companies face data breaches, ransomware, and business downtime. A single cyber attack can completely halt operations, leading to significant losses. A real-world example shows that most cyber attacks begin with a phishing email. A weak password can lead to email hacking, data theft, or a costly ransomware incident. The main areas of cybersecurity include network security, email security, endpoint security, cloud security, and compliance. Cybersecurity is multi-layered, protecting everything from networks with firewalls to SaaS platforms with cloud security. Cybersecurity knowledge is essential for everyone, including IT students, system administrators, network engineers, and business owners. It's not limited only to security specialists. To start a cybersecurity career, you should begin with networking basics, move to system administration, then learn security fundamentals, cloud security, and compliance standards like ISO 27001. At CloudEdge IT Academy, we prioritize practical learning, real-world examples, and career guidance. Our focus is on practical labs aligned with real enterprise environments, moving beyond just theory. For your next steps, subscribe to the channel, download the free cybersecurity checklist in the description, and feel free to comment with your questions. This video provided a real-world explanation of what cybersecurity is, offering office examples and guidance to help start your career. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to CloudEdge IT Academy for more content on IT, cloud, and security.